Today we will learn about opposite words. Let's start. Boy, girl. Good, bad. Even, odd. In, out. Fast, slow. Hot, cold. Happy, sad. Light, dark. Closed, open. Day, night. Up, down. Left, right. High, low. Dirty, clean. Poor, rich. Strong, weak. Near, far. Empty, full. Long, short. Big, small. Right, wrong. Cry, laugh. Old, young. Black, white. Front, back. Inside, outside. Few, many. ভিডিওটি যদি ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে একটি লাইক এবং চ্যানেলটি অবশ্যই সাবস্ক্রাইব করে রাখবেন।